By doing the pujas, you help yourself. By doing the pujas, you help the person requesting you. By doing the pujas, you collect a great amount of merit for you to attain enlightenment, and before that, attainments. By doing the pujas well, you also can help in getting donations to sustain our beautiful center. Most of you don't have money to give to the center, and I'm talking for everybody around the world. Most of us don't have a lot of money to give to the center, but if we did, we would definitely donate. I'm sure you guys would definitely help. But you see, if you don't have the money, you have the skill, well, that can draw the donations. So by doing these pujas well, it will draw donations to give to the center, to sustain the center. Are we doing pujas for money? No. But that's a byproduct, so we might as well face the facts. It is the byproduct, so you can help Kichara that way. And never just play after pujas, never go out and just play and just pretend and just tell people and show off. Always be humble of what pujas you know. Don't show off. Don't just do part of it here and there and play games and show people and talk like that. Don't bring down pujas to a low level, because there will be less effect for you. Talk about it, Facebook it, tweet it, blog it, explain and share how fortunate you are. Not one, not twice. Since you enter Kichara, and for everybody in Dharma centers, your life has completely changed for the better. Today you're getting real knowledge. You're getting secret knowledge. Do you know that people in the past, people in the past who have people in the past in the early 30s and 40s and 50s would travel very far to go to Tibet in disguise to learn the secrets of Tibetan pujas and tantras, because they are effective. And now we brought Shangri-La here, we brought Tibet here. Think about it. We don't have the fortune right now to have a few sanghas staying in Kichara constantly or consistently, not yet. But we can do halfway. We can learn the pujas ourselves.